So we want about, for discharge, we want about 60 seconds. Some other water-based products, we need to be a little more like 70 to 80 seconds. But this stuff, I'm sure, is pretty quick.
Yeah, somebody tried to tell me that this, on the ovens, that this was actually the wattage, not the temperature.
The wattage? Oh, no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Had somebody tell me.
Yeah, that's your temperature at the heater. The volts is going to give us our speed. Normally there's a little chart that'll tell you what the volts are in seconds.
So really the only way to know the actual temperature on the bed would be like we're on a donut through it.
The best way is a donut probe, to actually look at the temperature going through the oven. That's your most accurate way. Yeah, the heat guns are fine for spot checking, but you can have up to a 100-degree difference between a donut probe and a heat gun at the end of the dryer. So you're really, the heat gun is just for spot checking.
Right. So like that heat gun's good for checking the pallet.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, and if you
I check
know,
my temperature when I get really pissed.
and if you know that the heat gun is reading that much hotter than the donut probe, then if you want 300, go for 390 on the heat gun.
Right.
But you want to do it in the oven, like not when as soon as it comes out, it drops fast. So you want to get it like while it's still under the heater.